how to enable backup over cellular on Truecaller. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to enable it easy and quick. First open Truecaller and then click setting, click on your profile here, and now click this settings icon in the top corner. Now scroll down until you find backup, click on it and then click backup over, and here you can select Wi-Fi or cellular, and if you want to enable cellular just select it, and that's it. Now just go back, it will be saved, and I hope that can fix your problem. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.